Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arpita. So my YouTube channel is related to design field. So my video is more important who want to make a career in mechanical design engineer. So for those students my video is very important. So please subscribe and like my YouTube channel for the more updates. So in this video, we will see how to create the assembly product. Assembly product is very important. So assembly means there are so many different parts. So we have to assemble together. So that is called as a assembly. So by using CATIA software, CATIA is design software, and by using CATIA V5 software, we are the creating the assembly design in CATIA software. So for the creating assembly, so there are the different several commands we are the using. So in this video we are the creating press tool assembly. So let's start with the video. So this is press tool assembly sketch, and with the help of this drawing we are creating press tool assembly. So firstly we have to click on a horizontal plane and create a sketch. So firstly selected the center the rectangle and give dimensions. Hit to screen. Then there are the four circle which is up to 30 and here 30. So select a circle command and create here circle, small circle, and give the dimensions 30 from the bottom. So select a center point and give the dimensions is 30. Again then click on and give 30. Then here is 90 distance and radius of circle is 25 diameter. So 25 diameter. Again this circle is created. So click on mirror command and select the axis. So this circle has a mirrored. So select these two circles and again then use the mirror command and select the axis. So this four circle was generated. Again then this circle we have to draw. So this circle diameter is 50 up to the 50 distance. So select a circle, again draw small circle which diameter is 50. From bottom distance also 50. So our sketch is completed and we have to pad 30. So exit the sketch and select pad command. From a bottom side, so reverse directions, and your dimension 30. So pad definition is used for the any sketches is converted into 3D part. So that's why we are using pad command. So this is we have created bottom plane. So we will select this save as a part. So I am saving this sketch my desktop window part 1. Save. Again then we create second part. So then droplet. So again click on a mechanical design, part design, and OK. Then select the horizontal plane, click on a sketch. Again draw another sketch. So this sketch. Again then select the rectangular, give a dimensions in horizontal 250 mm and vertical 150 mm. Again then create a small circles. This circle diameter is 40. So diameter is 40. From bottom size is 30. And from here 30. Again then select this circle and use mirror command and mirror this circle on upper side. Again mirror and select this circle. Then we are selecting this and up to distance part 30. So exit sketch and select a pad command and pad on reverse directions, give a dimensions 30. Then from this bottom side we have to create a one sketch, this circle. So we have to create this circle. So circle is 50 diameter up to 100. So this is circle, give a dimensions, diameter is 50. And from this point to this line distance is 100. And pad up to the 90 mm. So exit sketch and again pad. Give a 90. So this is our second part. So save as a in desktop. So part 2 was created. Then we have to create a third part, that is a guide pillar. So guide pillar, so firstly this part we have to create it and Give a chamfer. So again start, click on mechanical design, part design. Okay. Then select a horizontal plane, select a sketch command, then creating a circle which diameter is 25, diameter is 25, 25 and 200. Pad is up to 200. Then remove again, then select this plane, fit to screen. Again then creating a small circle inside N, and this will be chamfer is 45. So give a chamfer. So this is chamfer selected, and select this to end, two edges, give a 2 mm and 45-degree. Okay, so select a chamfer. So then this is our third part. So save as in a desktop window. Part 3. Then our part 4 is guide bush. So again creating part design, select a horizontal plane, circle is 40-degree, outside circle is 40-degree and 25-degree. So select a circle command, .40-degree and pad 60. Then give a chamfer command. Chamfer is 2 into 45. So select a chamfer command and select this edge. So give a length is 2 mm and angle is 45, and then OK. Again then creating circle, select this face and select a sketch and create a circle. Inner circle is inside circle is diameter 25. So select a circle command and give a dimensions 25 diameter. So 25. Then exit command. And for the removing the portion inside a body, so we have to select the pad command. So pad command up to 60 and then OK. So this is our fourth part. This called as a guide bush. So this part save as in desktop. So part 4. Then now we are the creating the assembly. So for the creating the assembly, we have to choose a new window, that is a assembly. So mechanical design and assembly design selected. So product, So give a properties, and in properties give a proper name of the product. So press tool assembly, press tool assembly. Again then creating some body inside this product. Then select a part command and click on a press tool assembly. So creating a part 1. So give a name of part 1, that is a bottom plate, or a bottom plate. In properties give a name bottom plate. Then directly existing component, and also we are directly existing component from this. So click on a desktop, select our part 1. Okay, existing component, we are directly uploaded part 1. So this is our part 1. So first part is our bottom plate. Give a name bottom plate. We have to fix this part because all the commands is based on this bottom plate. Yeah. So this is a fix command. Select a fix command and click on this part. So this part our is fixed. Then second part is this guide pillar. So select a guide pillar. So existing component, guide pillar is our third part. Is that correct? So select a guide pillar. Give a name guide pillar. Then give a dimensions. So again then select coincidence, select the axis of this to end, and update. So our part is automatically here generated. Then moving command we have to use. Manipulate the command. So z direction. Okay. Then select the face to face. Where is attach? Yes, up to this surface. So select this surface and this surface and update. Again, then Control Z. Actually, now we are using this coincidence constraint. Select this space and this space. Connected, okay, and update. So this part will be generated here. Then angle constraint. So select the angle constraint, select this part and select this part and give a parallelism. So our part is parallel. So check a degree of freedom. So right click on a guide pillar and check on a component's degree of freedom. So there are the no degree of freedoms. This is the reason for our part is fixed together. Again, then we are using some pattern command here. Yes, reuse pattern, generated constant as a click and select a component and pattern on this axis. So generated pattern, so close, reuse pattern, pattern. So this object will we have to pattern and this one. Pattern this instances 4. Pattern. So reuse a pattern, pattern definition. Actually here axis is not visible, so we cancel this command and assemble manually. So fit to screen, and then again selected existing component, crystal assembly, then part 3, again then select this part and this plane, update, and moving to y direction. Okay. Then selecting face, this face and this face. Okay, update, again creating existing component, then creating faces here, this face and OK and update. Then selected 4 part, existing component, third part, then select the axis, update, then selected both face, manipulate, select this, okay, then creating match to match. Then attach this upper portion, so existing component, attach second part, open, so move this part up to upper portion, okay, so this part is attaches here, so y direction, okay, give offset, so this space to this space is up to 25 degree, and update 25 degree. Again then select the 4 part, this is 4 part, 4 part is here, select axis to axis, this axis, match, then select to this edge, so this edge and this edge, okay, update, oh no, control Z, so select this edge and this edge, Okay, and update. Now this part will be SI. So Control Z. So select face, this face and this face. So selected this face and this face. Okay, and update. Again existing component in press tool assembly. Then select fork part. Select edge to edge. Select face to face. Then existing component. Move this object to select this axis, and select this face. Update. Again, then existing component, part 4. Move the object, manipulate the in Y direction. Okay, give a coincidence. Update. Then select this face and this face. Update. So then all the constraint is hide, and all this axis we are hide. And also properties, graphics. In graphics we are select a color for a crystal assembly. So we can give color. So our crystal assembly is ready. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for the more updates. Thank you.